JC, the noises that you're making are concerning. Then come out. JC, I'm gonna come in there in 10 seconds. I'm coming in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What's going on, Jaybirds? My name is Jack.
I'm JC.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. What's happening? Why are we already yelling? Why? We're not even 2 seconds into filming and we're already on the brink of death. Every time. Why? What is happening?
I'm driving, that's what's happening.
That wasn't even remotely exciting. JC saw a freaking yellow light and just thought, oh, hell's breaking loose. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of pure awesomeness and glory, Jaybirds. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on video notifications, and leave a like if you're new to the channel. If you guys are excited for Christmas break, make sure you leave a like. And if this video gets 5,000 likes, I don't know what I'll do, but I'll certainly do something. JC, would you like to explain why there's a picture of my little sister on your dash?
She gave it to me when we graduated, and she said, "Love you forever, XOXO Olivia."
Oh.
So I always keep it there.
Yeah, just so that you don't speed and risk your life. Is that like one of those reminders? JC and I have been binge watching so many shows on Netflix. Right now we're on Narcos.
So good.
Oh my Lord, have mercy on my soul. It is absolutely fantastic. It's pretty much, to be honest with you.
There's like a lot of sex scenes.
Yeah, so you know, if that's not your cup of tea, I mean, it's certainly my cup of tea, but if it's not your cup of tea, you know, maybe try something different. But I've also been watching The Mandalorian. Who thinks Baby Yoda is absolutely the cutest thing in this damn world? The absolute cutest thing. Lord have mercy. Leave a like if you watch Mandalorian or you think Baby Yoda is the absolute cutest thing in the world.
What's up, everyone? We're at Jack's new apartment right now. He's currently in his room, like setting everything up and like making it look pretty. And I decided to snatch the camera for a little bit just to tell you guys what I'm going to be doing today. Today, I'm gonna be locking myself in the bathroom and making like weird, uncomfortable, gross, dirty noises to see how he reacts. And I'm really excited for it. Also, this is gonna make me so incredibly uncomfortable to film. This is like so out of my comfort zone. I'm usually not like this or like don't do stuff like this. I also haven't decided like what kind of noises I wanna make. Like if I want to like act like I'm like taking a dump or something, I don't know. I'm just gonna wing it. This is extreme out of my comfort zone, so please give me a like. Also, comment down below like what other pranks you want to see or other like see their reaction, what kind of videos you guys want to see, because I saw this in a comment and I thought this was so funny. I could not pass it up. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so funny. I have no idea how he's gonna react, what he's gonna say, what he's gonna do, if he's even gonna like acknowledge that it's happening. So I'm very excited to see what happens, and I hope you guys are too. Please give this a like. Also, comment down below other videos. Jack has some very exciting news for everybody.
So exciting!
It's
gonna be awesome, guys. So basically, it's all coming together real nicely. As you can see, we have the couch finally installed. It's all there. So basically, yes, we have everything, and we got this giant piece of metal that we're gonna mount to the wall so that we can put that giant TV there.
That TV is gonna go on that wall right there.
Yes.
And that stuff right there is gonna be floating.
Yes.
Yeah.
More like mount.
That's cool.
It's all coming together. As you can see, we still haven't decorated the Christmas tree. We need to do that. Don't worry.
I think we should do that today.
Think so?
I think so.
All right, we'll do it.
Okay,
That's
sweet.
good.
Okay, guys. So, I'm about to set the camera up. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to put it. I also haven't decided what noises I'm gonna make yet. I think I'm just gonna grunt a lot and like scream and like hit the walls and like just act like there's total chaos going on in that bathroom. He's gonna have no idea how to react. I think I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna hide a bunch of towels over it. He won't even notice. Okay. I think that looks good. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm not used to this. He doesn't even know that I don't burp in front of him. I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
JC? Babe.
What?
Do you need help?
No, I'm fine.
What are you doing?
Nothing, no, I'm fine. Oh my God.
JC,
What?
I thought you were carrying something.
No, I'm fine.
Are you taking a shit?
No, I'm fine.
What are those noises?
Privacy, please. Please give me some privacy.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine.
JC, you can tell me if you're not okay.
I'm fine, I promise. Do I sound like I'm fine?
No, you don't. Not at all.
Yes, I'm fine.
Wait a minute. What are you doing?
Nothing, it's fine.
Sweetheart.
What? Do not open that door.
What are you...
Nothing, I'm fine.
Sweetheart, I'm serious.
Ugh.
Babe, what did you eat?
Nothing, I'm literally fine.
I don't think you're fine.
I'm fine, I swear.
You're sure?
Can you walk away from the door?
Yeah.
Yes, give me some privacy.
Alright, I'm giving you privacy.
Thank you. Oh my god. Ugh.
JC,
What?
I'm coming in.
No, don't come in.
Are you taking a shit?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
What are you doing in there?
Literally fine.
It doesn't sound like you're fine. It doesn't even sound like you're taking a shit. Are you sick?
No, I'm fine.
Why are you making this weird? It's okay to be sick. If you ate something, I can help you.
I'm fine.
Do you want me to go get you medicine?
No, I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
It doesn't smell like anything.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you though?
Yes, I promise. You're not opening that door.
Okay. Well, if you need anything, let me know.
Okay.
I'll get anything. Do you have diarrhea?
No, I'm okay.
Why? I don't think you're telling me the truth, and that's weird.
Why don't you think I'm telling you the truth?
Because it's kind of embarrassing that you're destroying my toilet before I even got to destroy it.
I'm fine.
JC, the noises you're making say otherwise.
I'm okay.
If you are not fine, tell me, please. I'm not gonna tell anyone. It's not embarrassing or anything.
I know, I'm not embarrassed. I'm fine though. I don't know what else to say.
Okay, well.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh.
Hey, come out.
What?
Come out.
No, I'm not coming out.
Why not?
Because I want to.
Because you're sick, sweetheart. You can tell me these things.
I'm not sick.
I don't believe you. I'm hearing all the noise. I just recorded it on my phone.
Why would you record that?
Okay, for one, you're my girlfriend and everything you do is funny, but also when you're taking a gnarly shit and making it sound like you're dying, both myself and my friends might think that's funny. So
Why would you take a video of that?
I had to document it. That's hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, if you're not sick, it shouldn't matter, right?
I'm sick.
Then what is going on? What did you eat? JC, the noises that you're making are concerning. I'm just checking on you.
I'm okay.
Then come out.
I'm okay.
JC, I'm gonna come in there in 10 seconds.
No, you're not.
I'm coming in.
No.
10, 9,
No.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are you doing?
How didn't I catch that earlier?
Damn it. Damn it.
Did you actually think I was taking that gnarly of a shit?
What else would I have assumed?
Gosh, did that even sound realistic?
Not really, but I was concerned either way. I need a breather.
You need a breather?
That's funny.
You thought
That
I was taking,
funny.
you thought I was destroying that toilet.
I did. I can't believe I did that.
You were a good boyfriend.
Guys, this girl, she needs to be stopped. At this point, what? I was genuinely concerned. I thought something bad was happening. I thought you were sick and embarrassed to tell me, and then that made me feel bad just to find out that you're in there fully clothed. Like when I opened the door, I didn't even notice.
What did you think was happening when I was like,
can't. I thought you were like doing this because it hurt or something.
That was so funny to me.
Okay, Jaybirds, so here's the deal. JC's got 2 friends coming over to the apartment for the first time.
They wanted to see it.
And I know that JC already shit her brains out for a prank or whatever, but what I'm thinking is we do a PDA prank on them. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So stick around, leave a like if you're excited. Stick around for tomorrow's video because it's most likely gonna be a PDA, assuming everything goes right.
The door should be unlocked. You guys why didn't you take the elevator? You guys are almost there, I can see it. Hello everyone.
Oh.
So what do you guys think about the place?
I feel broke. Like I really do.
Isn't it nice? Look, it's the bathtub. We can kick Jack out one day and we can take a bath together.
Please, actually.
Do it.
Oh. Should I leave? No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I didn't see you guys there.
Sorry. No, I actually feel broke as heck.
We're too short for it, Christiana.
Yeah.
We're too short for it.
Well, guys, we were going to prank them, but they're already gone. So we're not anymore. Hopefully we can do that pretty soon. Hopefully tomorrow. JC, what do you think?
Yeah, I think we should do it.
Yeah, look at JC's head right now, just barely there. Just barely sprouting out there, but anyways, yeah, they both left before we even had an opportunity to even consider doing that, so sorry for the disappointment, but hopefully we can do that soon.
Okay, Jack, so since I pranked you and I feel really, really bad about it, I'm gonna surprise you with some food.
You do not feel bad.
I don't feel bad at all, but I'm still gonna buy you food because I owe you dinner.
I agree.
Why
I'm
do you
sure they do
agree?
too.
You weren't supposed to agree to that.
Why would you not agree to what?
When I say, I'm supposed to buy you dinner, you say, no, you don't have to.
No, you have to. 100%. What do you mean?
Why do I have to?
What do you mean, why do you have? I'm not saying.
Come here.
No.
What?
No, not until you give me some dinner. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna get you some dinner until you come snuggle with me.
Anyways, guys, thank you for unsubscribing after that one. Really appreciate it. You taking me to food? Get food?
I'm taking you to food.
That's
I'm
what I like
taking
to
you to
hear.
food
Yeah.
after I made you think I was destroying the toilet.
Yeah. Are we getting sushi or are we getting?
Yeah, let's get sushi. Let's get sushi. Maybe then I actually will blow up the toilet. Last time we ate there, my stomach did not like it.
Yeah, good point. Last time we ate there, we got miso soup, and I think it's the miso soup. I really do.
That sounds so. No, it was the sushi.
No way.
Because it had like raw fish in it and like cream cheese.
That doesn't usually do that to me, though.
Oh, it does it to me.
Oh God.
Some miso soup, some teriyaki chicken.
Why are you acting like such a generic YouTuber right now? Oh my God. Can someone tell her to stop?
Oh my God.
Come on, baby. Come on. You gotta want it. Why are you not using your arms to run? What are you doing? You look like a penguin. What is this? Come on, you gotta hustle, baby. Come on, get in the whip. Get in the whip. Come on, baby, get in here. Move that candy. Move that candy and move them sour patches and the goldfish. Come on now, goddamn.
I'm out of breath.
That was like 30 feet.
I don't do a lot of cardio.
I could tell. Jaybirds, we are back at it again at our favorite restaurant, or one of our favorite restaurants anyways. 2 things I really like about this place. 3 things. 1, JC's here. 2, sushi. 3, the atmosphere.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say the miso soup.
The miso soup's pretty good as well. The miso soup's actually really good. And like, it's hard to mess up miso soup, yet somehow a lot of places do. But the miso soup here,
Phenomenal.
phenomenal, exquisite.
Chef's kiss.
Oh my gosh. Guys, JC just goes, who do you think would win in a race, me or you?
Me!
No.
Why?
Sweetheart,
Why are you underestimating
You've got
me?
toothpicks for legs. What you talking
I'm pretty
about?
fast.
Yeah, let's see it.
All the
all right?
cross country play. No, I'm not running. That's so awkward. You run. How about we run together?
All right. Yeah, well, let's see who's faster. All right. Just run.
No, I'm nervous.
No, do it. You got it.
I'm nervous. You can't put me on the spot like that.
You put me on the
Why
spot.
don't we both run together?
Okay, fine.
Ready? You're not gonna do it.
No, there's no point. You're wearing boots.
Okay, fine. I guess. I would still win.
All right, Jaybirds, we are tired.
it's time to call it a day. We don't have the TV mounted, but we're gonna plug it in to the PS5 and probably watch something, cuddle a little bit, eat some candy canes, and enjoy our first night. Leave a like if you guys are excited. Comment down below what you guys would like to see us do to the apartment, if you can think of anything in particular. Don't forget, merch will be linked down below. It's only available for about a week, and then it's going to be gone forever until our next one comes out, which won't be anytime soon, I don't think. So if you do want the merch, check it out down below. If you do cop it, don't forget you have a chance of winning a PS5. Probably that one, because that one doesn't have a disc drive, and I need a disc drive for watching movies, obviously. So we're probably gonna end up giving away that one that was in the video, which could be kind of cool. So check it out down below, and if you do cop, let us know, because we will follow you on Instagram. But thank you so much for watching, and remember to take it one day at a time.